Okay, now let's we want to look at another thing as true, false, not given. We marked the first three, and reading till now we didn't find anything regarding a statement like other countries had built underground railways before metropolitan line opened. We didn't read metropolitan line opening till now, so it will be in the coming passages. Okay, where was the last answer? Oh, here it is. Then can now I am reading from here. Look at here. Metropolitan line, which opened 10th January, was Wales' first underground railway. On its first day, almost 40,000 passengers were carried between Paddington and Farrington, the journey taking about 80 minutes. By the end of the metropolitan first year of operation, 9.5 million journey had been made. Okay, from which we can find other countries had built underground railway before the metropolitan line opened. So here was the world's first underground railway. So other countries had built the underground railway before the metropolitan opened. It is a false one. So write down false. Now, more people than predicted traveled on the metropolitan line on the first day. Look at this. On the first day, almost 40,000 passengers were carried between Paddington and Farrington. The journey was about 80 minutes. By the end of the metropolitan first year of operation, 9.5 million journey had been made. They didn't talk about the prediction. So it's a not given. So another thing, the use of ventilation shaft failed to prevent the pollution in the tunnels. Let's look at this. Even the metropolitan began operation, first of the extensions were being authorized. We didn't want to read this one. We just want to look at this use of ventilation shaft. So just skim through this. Okay, we find the ventilation shaft. Okay, use of ventilation. Now, use of ventilation shaft failed to prevent the pollution in the tunnel. Instead, the line used a special designed locomotives that were fitted with water tanks in which steam could be condensed. However, the smoke and fumes remained a problem even though ventilation shafts were added to the tunnel. So that were a problem. So failed to prevent the pollution. Yes, they failed to prevent the pollution. That's a true one, because the smoke and fumes remained a problem even though ventilation shafts were added to the tunnels. So it's a correct one. True. Another, a different approach from cut and cover technique was required in London's central area. So London's central area, different approach. Okay, the cut and cover method of the construction was not an option in this part of the capital, the only alternative was to tunnel deep underground. From cantilever technique was required in London Central area. That's a true one. It's a true one. Okay, another. The windows on City and South London trains were at eye level. So we've just skim and find where the windows lies. Okay. The carriages were narrow and had a tiny windows just below the roof because it was thought that the passengers would not want to look out at the tunnel walls. Just below the roof because it was thought that passengers would not want to look out at the tunnel wall. The windows on City and South London trains were at eye level. No, they are just below the roof. Just below the roof. So it's a false one. So we'll one here what I want to write false. False. The City and South London Railway was a financial success. So it's a financial success. The line was not without its problem, mainly caused by the unreliable power supply. Although City and South was a great technical achievement, it did not make a profit. It did not make a profit. So it's also a false one. 13. The trains on Twopenny Tube nearly always run on time. Trains on Twopenny Tube nearly always run on time. Just look at this. Then Twopenny Tube began operation using the new rail. It was very popular and soon afterwards the new was allowed to network by. Okay, that was not mentioned in this passage, so it's a not given. Thank you.